Welcome back. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to build muscle, burn fat, and get absolutely shredded at home. No fancy equipment or gym membership required. You don't need a gym, your body is the only tool required. With just your own weight, you can unlock incredible results and push your limits. Calisthenics builds real strength, a lean, athletic physique, and amazing body control. It's all about mastering your own body and moving with confidence. This workout is designed for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're an advanced athlete looking for a challenge, you'll find something here. I'll break down the 10 best bodyweight exercises for a full body transformation, so you can train every muscle group and see real progress. So, clear some space, grab some water, and get ready. Let's get started on your ultimate bodyweight journey. First up, we have the classic push-up, often called the king of upper body moves for a reason. This exercise is a staple in almost every fitness routine, and for good reason. It's simple, effective, and requires no equipment at all. Place your hands just wider than your shoulders, making sure your fingers are spread for stability. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and engage your core to prevent your hips from sagging. Lower yourself with control, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your body. Aim to bring your chest as close to the floor as possible, without actually touching it, maintaining good form throughout. Then, push yourself back up explosively, keeping your body rigid and strong. Focus on quality reps rather than speed, and breathe out as you press up. If a full push-up feels too tough right now, don't worry. You can always start on your knees or try doing push-ups against a wall. These variations will help you build strength and confidence. Mastering the push-up will help you develop serious strength in your chest, triceps, and core. Stick with it, and you'll see progress in no time. Next, the plank. Simple but brutal for your core. Forearms under shoulders, body straight, glutes and abs tight. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Hold actively, breathing steady, for 30-60 seconds. This builds core endurance and stability for everything else. Now let's hit the obliques with the side plank. Prop up on one forearm, stack your feet, lift hips high. Keep your body straight, core tight, and hold. Switch sides after 30 seconds. This move sculpts your V-lines and boosts rotational strength. A must for a powerful, balanced core. Time to crank up the intensity. Burpees. Squat down, hands to floor, jump feet back to plank. Do a push-up. Jump feet forward, explode up, arms overhead. Move smoothly, keep your form tight. Burpees torch fat, build muscle, and skyrocket your conditioning. They're tough, but nothing beats them for full body results. For strong legs, you need squats. Stand feet shoulder width, toes slightly out, chest up. Push hips back, lower until thighs are parallel or deeper. Drive up through your whole foot, squeeze glutes at the top, keep knees tracking over toes. Master squats for a rock-solid lower body. Lunges build balance and single leg strength. Step forward, lower until both knees are at 90 degrees. Front knee over ankle, back knee just above the floor. Push back to start, alternate legs or do all reps on one side. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Lunges fix imbalances and build athletic power. If you want to target your hamstrings and glutes while also challenging your balance, try the single leg Romanian deadlift, or RDL. This exercise is perfect for building lower body strength and stability, and you can do it right at home with no equipment needed. Start by standing tall on one leg, keeping a slight bend in your knee. Hinge forward at your hips, sending your other leg straight back behind you for balance. Focus on keeping your core engaged throughout the movement. As you lower your torso, maintain a straight back and keep your shoulders pulled back. Lower yourself until you feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings, but don't round your spine. To return to standing, drive your hips forward and squeeze your glute at the top of the movement. This helps activate your muscles and improves your posture. If you find it difficult to balance, use a wall or sturdy chair for support. It's more important to keep good form than to go without assistance. Practicing the single leg RDL regularly will help you build strength, improve your balance, and increase your overall stability, making it a fantastic addition to any home workout routine. Isolate your glutes with the glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, core braced. Drive through your heels, lift hips until body's a straight line. Squeeze glutes at the top, lower with control. Try single leg bridges for more challenge. Great for glute activation and lower back health. For bigger arms, hit triceps dips. Use a chair, hands by hips, slide off edge, legs bent or straight. Lower until elbows are 90 degrees, press up, squeeze triceps. Keep elbows back, not flared. Dips are a top move for arm growth. Don't skip your back. Do inverted rows. Use a sturdy table or bar, lie underneath, grip over hand. Body straight, heels on floor, pull chest up, squeeze shoulder blades. Lower with control, repeat. Bend knees to make it easier. Rows build your lats, rhomboids, and biceps. No pull-up bar needed. That's your full body bodyweight workout, no gym required. Do 2-3 sets of 8-12 reps per exercise. Focus on perfect form. Stay consistent and you'll see results. Start today. Your fitness journey begins now. Drop a comment with your favorite move and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Now go crush it.